Then this other kid pops up. I see him play on some stuff, then disappear among the playground equipment. 20 minutes later, I hear a Karen run in frantically looking for someone. She looks at me and asks if I've seen a kid, XYZ description, and I'm like, yeah, I think he's in there. Then she starts berating me. I should have told her he's been in here for so long. I stretch my face up, kind of confused, like, what? She then wants me to crawl through the playground to go get him from up in the large room. He's probably crying over it. I said, no. She gets even more furious. She said the staff there usually doesn't. So cue my, I don't work here, lady. You want me to supervise your kid and keep you updated on him? There's like 100 people here right now. Sign says children must be supervised at all times. She's in the corner, on the ropes, hops and awkwardly tries to get her plus-sized body through the playground to fetch the kid. She comes down and says, you left him up there all scared. I say, what, lady? That's what you did. I'm not your babysitter. How would I even know whose kid this is? There's heaps of people here. He's your responsibility. She literally...
Can I help you?
Yes, may I please have a 4-piece combo?
Okay, 4-piece combo. You want it mild or spicy?
Spicy?
And what's your side of your drink?
Red beans and rice and Sierra Mist.
Red beans and rice and the Sierra Mist, okay.
And may I also please get a classic chicken sandwich? Just the sandwich.
One classic sandwich. Anything else?
No, thank you.
$14.96.
Thank you.
and management of about a dozen international student interns who work the front desk. Anyway, we've been swamped that morning, so I hadn't had the time to go out and eat lunch. I got a sandwich at our campus vending machine and sat down in the break room. The break room was always cold due to the AC blasting through the room, so I put on a comfy university jacket and kept at my desk just to wear during break. I kept the break room door open to ask any questions they wanted. I hired a couple of new students that month, and they were still learning. A few minutes later, I heard a man yell something along the lines of, "No, no, no, you do not understand. You are stupid, stupid, stupid." These childish outcries, exclaimed in a grown male voice, made me immediately stand up and rush to the front desk area without even remembering to take my jacket off. The man was literally wagging his finger at my intern and yelling while almost comically stomping his feet. I interrupted his tantrum and introduced myself as the intern supervisor, gave my name and position, and told him I could assist him with the issue. The man immediately looked me up and down, scoffed a short no, then turned right back to the intern and asked her to call the supervisor, as he needed to ask someone who actually works here, not just some young girl like the intern who sits there at the front repeating nonsense. This wasn't my first rodeo with unnecessarily angry students, so I calmly gestured at my intern to step away and planted myself directly in front of him. That made him change his rant towards me, saying, "Listen, I know you Chinese want to help each other, but my issue's urgent, so I need to see your supervisor." Supervisor. He made a little phone dialing gesture here and says, "Call him, and he can sign my I-20. Yes, both my intern and I were Asian, but nope, neither one of us were Chinese. And I hate when people over-enunciate when speaking to me. My thoughts often immediately go to English is my first language, moron, as is evident by the fact that I just spoke to you. Also, it pisses me off when I assume the supervisor would be me. I did my best to remain calm, however, and confirm the issue. So you're here to get an I-20 travel signature. You go online and submit. No, damn it, you don't understand, he screamed. Then proceeded a rapid rant saying that I must get a real staff member who actually works there instead of giving him the same instructions again, because he needed this sign now. He was going to go out of town tonight, and surely this was would want to make me out. Students who pay such high tuition would have to come back on campus just to get a signature or to leave the country after his road trip. Do you know how much money I give to the school? You learners from China, you understand how expensive my luxury trip was to go through here? Get the man who can actually help me here. University students in the U.S. on an I-20 visa need an updated signature on their form every once in a while.